Feel the rhyme. Get on up. It's bobsled time.
Every year we try to bring in an inspirational speaker, and this year it's Devon Harris, the captain of the Jamaican bobsled team. And I just love his line is keep pushing. We need to have that kind of inspirational message that in our financial lives, in our personal lives, and our goals, to keep pushing and keep pursuing those dreams. You can imagine a bobsled team in Jamaica and what he went through. I'm just really excited to hear about what his message is all about today.
You must always follow your dreams. You must always follow your dreams. And it doesn't matter how impossible they may seem, go after them, launch. Each of us has the ability to become that which we aspire to be. If you can dream it, you can be it. If there's one thing that gives radiance to everything, I think it's a hope of something better around the corner. And that's what vision does. That's what it is. And it helps us to create this clear, concise mental picture in our minds. It helps us to do just that. Begin with the end in mind. Living out our imaginations. Tying yourself to your limitless potential. And when I was in high school, in other words, when I was your age, my favorite hangout spot was right there at that lamppost. I'm not embarrassed to say I was doing the D word. What do you think that is? Anybody? Drugs? Exactly, I was dreaming, man. I wasn't doing drugs. I was dreaming. Each of us, without exception, regardless of which country you're from, regardless of which language you speak, each of us have the ability to create that which, to become that which we aspire in our minds. Every single one of us. And the only real limitations are the ones we impose on ourselves to the limits of our imagination. But you have to find a way to get comfortable with change. You have to find a way to be comfortable with discomfort. So we know that change is always happening. I mean, you've been talking about it all day, haven't you? The infusion of ideas, knowledge, products, services is happening at an alarming rate. Far faster than any other time in history. So change isn't going anywhere. It's staying with us, and it's going to continue at an even faster rate. So what does that mean for us, for you, for me? It means the same thing it has always meant. For us to succeed, we have to grow. And in order to grow, you have to change. Which means that we have to find a way to get ourselves out of our comfort zone. Show of hands, who here knows of a company or a person who achieved success without having to deal with any difficulties? Oh, interesting. Nobody, right? That's because such a person, such a company doesn't exist. There is a story of persistence behind every successful person, every successful company, every successful endeavor. If you dream of great things, if you want to increase value, increase your productivity, you are going to face difficulties. Life will, without apology, test your commitment to you fulfilling your vision. And your answer to life is your persistence. Your answer to life is your persistence. Really, that was the only time I had to throw in the towel. Do you even believe that? I don't know how to quit. I don't know how to quit, so I did not quit. I didn't a three-time Olympian, in part because I didn't quit. So you have to learn. As I said earlier, your dreams will be tested. You have to learn to endure in the face of all difficulties. coming out this afternoon. It's been awesome. You're an awesome audience, and I thank you for coming out. Remember to keep on pushing. You've been awesome. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Devon. Thank you so much. Let's hear it again for Devon. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Excellent.